Hi students, welcome back to the class. So in the last class we went through some of the glossaries. We went through still handled, no? It is an action word. So handle means what? To manage. Today we will go through some of the other glossary words which are in page number 5 again. Okay. Now we will see from here conclusion. So what is conclusion? Conclusion is a noun. And conclusion means the end or the close, which is the end, conclusion, muginpu in Telugu. Lacked is a verb actually. Lacked means missed or missing, which is no more. Lacked అంటే కొదువ, మనకి ఇంకా కొంచెం కొదువ ఉన్నదాన్ని మనము it is lacked అని అంటాం, which is not completely over but it is missed అన్నమాట. Next is sense. Sense is a noun. Sense means awareness. Sense means awareness. We should have some sense of humor, which means we should have some awareness, and we should have some sense about corona also. We should have some awareness about corona too, right, in the present situation. Next one is seek. It is a verb again. Seek means to try to obtain or to search. We can also take like to search. To seek means to search, or to try to obtain means we have to try to occupy it, or we have to try to achieve it. Okay, we can also take it in that way. Gesture, it's a noun. Gesture means a person who is given to humor or jokes. Gesture, so gestures will be in the King's Court. Now we know in the lesson Tenali Raman, he is a gesture in the King's Court. So gesture, Tenali Raman is a person who is given to jokes, and means he will tell some jokes to the king in the kingdom, and he will entertain the king, and he will also solve some of the puzzles or some of the critical conditions in a funny way. Okay. Next is approached. Approached means came nearer to. I approached my mother for help. Okay, which means I went near to my mother for a help. Approach means came nearer to. Naming ceremony, it is a phrase. Okay, it is a function at which a person is named. Okay, usually I already said you while explaining the lesson, usually naming ceremony we will celebrate. It is a function at home. Okay, in Telugu we will call it as namakaranam. Okay, ఎవరైనా చిన్న పిల్లలు మన ఇంట్లో ఉంటే వాట్ వి విల్ డూ, మనము నామకరణం చేస్తాం కదా, పేరు పెట్టడం, దాన్ని మనము నేమింగ్ సెరమనీ అని కూడా అంటాం అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ప్లెజర్. ప్లెజర్ ఈజ్ నౌన్ and it is enjoyment. Pleasure means enjoyment. Next one is bouquet. Bouquet means a bunch of flowers. Bouquet means a bunch of flowers. You have seen a bouquet, right? Yes, it is bunch of flowers. Bless is a verb. Bless means pray to God to look favorably. So praying to God for blessing, or praying to God for favorable things. Next one is horrible. Horrible again, it is an adjective. Horrible means extremely unpleasant. Okay, he behaved in a horrible way, which means extremely unpleasant, which was not at all good, which was very bad. Okay, it is an adjective. Dishes. Dishes is a noun. The food items served. Okay, we will order for some dishes now in hotel when we go usually. Yes, that is food items which are being served. Spicy, adjective. Spicy means flavored with spice, which is very స్పైసీ, అంటే చాలా కారంగా ఉన్నదాన్ని మనం స్పైసీ అని అంటాం. ఓకే, కారంగా ఉన్నదాన్ని ఫ్లేవర్డ్. స్పైస్ అంటే చాలా మసాలాలు కారం వేసి వండిన దాన్ని స్పైసీ ఫుడ్ అని అంటాం అనమాట. అండర్ కుక్డ్. అండర్ కుక్డ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ అడ్జెక్టివ్ అగైన్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కుక్డ్ insufficiently or cooked for less than recommended time. Okay, uncooked, which is not cooked properly, విచ్ ఈస్ కుక్డ్ ఇన్ ఫర్ లెస్ దెన్ రికమెండెడ్ టైం. చాలా తక్కువ సమయంలో వండినప్పుడు వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, ఏమవుతుంది, అది మంచిగా ఉడకదనమాట. సో దట్ ఈస్ అండర్ కుక్డ్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద glossary words.